So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to see 2D arrays. So 2D array is a type of array, and it is called as two-dimensional array or multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array can be considered as an array of arrays or as a matrix consisting of rows and columns. It is kind of matrix where we store our data in the format of rows and columns. You can see this figure. Okay, so this is the 2D array figure, and internally the data is stored in the matrix format. There are rows and columns. So this is the figure of 2D array. See a real life example. So if you want to store the marks of 10 students, so in 1D array we can store the marks in linear form. Okay, so here we can store physics marks, chemistry marks, here maths, English and biology. So this way we can store. So similarly we can store the second student marks as like this, and so on up to 10th student we can store the marks in linear form. So if you want to store the marks in 2D format or in 2D matrix, so according to 2D array format, so we can store the marks as in matrix. So here we have stored the 10 student marks along with their subjects. So you can see here the number of subjects. So physics, chemistry, maths, English, Hindi, Marathi or biology. So this way we can store the marks and in 2D format. So we can represent the 2D array in this format. So to access the first block, so we can use the index as 0 and 0. So we can access our first block. So similarly other blocks as well. So we have to access, suppose, this block. So we will enter as row is equal to 2 and column is equal to 2. We can access this block. So let's see the syntax of how we can create a 2D array in the Java. This is the syntax how we can create a 2D array in Java. So first we have to write a data type here, and then the variable name, and here we have to add two brackets, square brackets, and to create the new matrix or the 2D array we have to write new keyword. So new keyword is for the dynamic allocation, and then we have to again write our data type of which data type we should create in our 2D array, and here of row we wanted in our 2D matrix, number of column we want in our 2D matrix. So I have created one example as well here. So I have created a array of 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3. So number of rows are 3 and number of columns are also 3. So I have created integer type of matrix, and in that I have given the variable name as ARR, and here I have written the two square brackets. and I have write a new keyword, and again we have written the data type here, and here we have given the number of columns and row we wanted. So I have written 3 by 3. So we have internally, basically we have created this 2D array, or we can say as the matrix. So thank you for watching this video.